If a roofer just gave you a quote in Miami-Dade and never mentioned Miami-Dade product approval numbers, walk away. That roof will fail inspection and you'll pay twice. South Florida is its own universe. This isn't Phoenix, this isn't Atlanta.
This ain't Texas.
South Florida sits inside the high-velocity hurricane zone, also known as the HVHZ. That is the strictest wind load territory in the entire country and in some parts of the world. Every material, every fastener pattern, every underlayment has to be tested and approved specifically for the zone. Most national roofing advice you find online, flat out, does not apply here. We're talking wind speeds of up to 180 miles an hour or more. Your roof isn't just a finish, it's a structural system. Building rules are not the same from county to county. Miami-Dade has the toughest requirements. Broward and Palm Beach follow the Florida Building Code, but with their own local amendments. So what gets permitted in Boca might not fly in Hialeah. So if your contractor doesn't know the difference and can't pull the permit themselves, that is your first red flag. Not every material is even allowed here. In our hurricane zone, your choices are narrowed down by the law. Certain asphalt shingles, certain metal systems, and certain tile products must carry a Miami-Dade Notice of Acceptance. No NOA, no permit, no legal roof over your head. Impact-rated tiles and standing seam metal panels are among the strongest performers in our local testing. Underlayment is going to matter just as much. A secondary water barrier should be required, because if the outer layer lifts in a storm, that second layer underneath it is the only thing that's going to keep your home dry. Understanding the contractor type is going to matter more than most homeowners realize as well. There's a big difference between a state-certified roofing contractor and a registered contractor, and someone who simply bought a lead off a website and is subcontracting your job to whoever they have available and whoever is offering the lowest price. And this last scenario is a lot more common than you think. And when something fails inspection or leaks 6 months later, that person's nowhere to be found. Here's what most companies won't tell you. A roof replacement in Miami-Dade typically runs anywhere from $15,000 to $30,000 and potentially more for a standard home. It depends heavily on the size, material, and complexity. Anybody quoting you $6,000 is either using non-approved materials, skipping the permit, or both. A cheap roof here is not a deal. It's a massive liability. It can void your homeowner's insurance and cost you far more after the next named storm. We're Bigfoot Windows and Roofing, licensed right here in Miami-Dade. No middlemen, no lead aggregators. We pull every single permit ourselves. If you want the full breakdown on approved materials, county by county requirements, and real cost ranges, drop a comment below or check out our other videos on this channel. Bigfoot Windows and Roofing, building trust, one window, one door, one roof at a time.